Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter apps and notifications, then go to advanced, then go to the special app access, and from here you have to go to the install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps for which you can install unknown apps. For example, let's select Google Chrome, and now you can just allow from this source, and after that you will be able to install unknown apps through the Google Chrome application. You can do the same thing to the other Google services from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.